What is up, y'all? Today I will be giving you guys an installation of my ambient lighting. As you guys can see that right now I have like the basic ones, the one that don't do like any crazy colors. Let me show you guys. As you guys can see, it's like the basic one. It's not super bright. It's just basic, like around the corners. You can't even see it for real. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a full installations of my new ones. And make sure you guys stay tuned and like, comment, subscribe on the video. Right now I'm just taking out the old ones I had on there, because I'm about to put the craziest one in here. So I'm just taking it out right now before I actually install the newest one I have. So if you have some on already, they're super easy to take out and put them back in. So make sure you guys do that. As you guys can see, these are the ones I had in there. And now I have taken them out. So now I'm gonna make sure that everything I have in here is where I want it to be, so I can make sure my lighting are good up here. So yeah, as you guys can see, right now I have some of it installed and I don't have all of the lighting, so like it's kind of hard for me to do like the whole thing. So I'm gonna get the whole thing installed and I will show you guys a whole review of the whole thing, of what it looked like. That's honestly all of the lighting. I know that it's a little bit late. It's because I've been busy doing some stuff, but this is what it looks like right now. I've officially done the whole thing, and the only thing is I didn't have a piece to go right there, so that's the only thing. I was short of only about one piece that I could put in my console by the shifter, but outside of everything, it was perfectly fine. And the hardest part about the thing, like the installing the lights, was the door handles. I don't know, for some reason, like it wasn't gonna like going in, like it wasn't fitting, because it was just super tight. Even though I was trying to loosen the whole thing up, but it wasn't loosening. So that's what it looks like right now. But I really appreciate everybody who's been tuning in to the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video, and let me know what you guys want to see down below. Until next time. Let me know how you guys doing today. Yeah, today I've been really chilling for out the house. I haven't been doing much. I've just been vibing. Just hanging out. Get ready for spring break. You guys know how all these things go. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I ain't gonna lie. Give me some videos, ideas of something that you guys want me to do. It really don't matter for real. It could be anything. Just let me know. It don't gotta be anything crazy. I actually just installed these little ambient lighting not too long ago, maybe like 3 days ago. I had bought them online and stuff, so I wasn't gonna install them by myself, but I decided to just do it by myself just because that I didn't really want to drive all the way to like Texas and stuff to get them installed, so I just went ahead and did it myself. You guys let me know how I do. I ain't gonna lie. Did I snap with this? Or like, what you guys think? Let me know down below. Cause I really like how it turned out. I think it's a good look. And these things are super bright, as you guys can see. I have it on the doors and stuff. So it's really all over the car for real. Way too windy. I gotta put my window back up. I don't know what that sound is. Like, do you guys hear that sound? After this little corner, I'm gonna give you guys one last pull, and I'm gonna let you guys. And it's gonna be the end of this video. So I appreciate everybody. I really appreciate everybody who's been tuned in for real to the channel. Everybody who's been watching, staying up, watching the videos, I appreciate everybody. For real. And there's police right there.